But if we provide a treaty, then it will actually deal with our neighbors as well. So I would want to encourage the committee to look at this. And Mr. Speaker, even as I complete, Honorable Kaluma and the speaker before you were really boasting how they have done international law and dealt with ISIS. I can also boast that me and Honorable Caroli here were students of environmental law at our master's level, and we studied environmental law at a master's level. But do I say, Mr. Speaker, and I'm surprised that Honorable Caroli is not keen on speaking. But we are students of environmental law.
What's your point of order, Honorable Kaluma? Yeah. What's out of order?
Honorable Speaker, I didn't just study public international law. I'm the first lawyer in this country to specialize in law of the sea. In fact, I assisted our Navy in delimiting our sea boundaries when Abu Rafruf was still the Navy commandant. So Honorable Millie should confine herself to environmental issues within the sea areas.
What's your point
not
of order?
talking, not knowing I'm a specialist in
Caroli,
that area.
what's your point of order?
Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Member for Homa Bay is actually misleading the House.
Yes.
The premier mind on law of the sea was the late Akicho Kola, Deputy Solicitor General, who attended all the negotiations until the law of the sea was signed in 1982.
Yes.
It is Akicho Kola. And the one speaking is the author of the National Environmental Management and Coordination Act. So stop misleading the House.
The Honorable Kaluma.
Information. Honorable Speaker, Okola participated in coming up with the United Nations Convention on Law of the Sea. But at the very heart of that convention was Dr. Androniko Oduogo Adede from Kwabuaen, the Homa Bay. And that is something for which he is credited. And Dr. Androniko Oduogo Adede was my master's lecturer when I was studying Law of the Sea. I think that is a point Honorable Caroli was forgetting.
Mr. Speaker, I have the floor. Mr. Speaker, I have the floor. And I want to educate Honorable Kaluma and tell him that there's a reason that I'm a senior lawyer. The Honorable Dr. Andriko Dede that is so proudly talking about was my boss in Letwal International. So don't even try.
Yes.
We've been there, done that, and got a t-shirt. So don't even try.
Majority Leader. Majority Leader. Give the mic to the Majority Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I just want to inform the House that the Honorable Kaluma is from Homa Bay County. The Honorable Millie Odhiambo is from Homa Bay County. The Honorable Caroli Omondi is from Homa Bay County. And you can hear the debate is about the law of the sea, environmental law, and the battle of wits of great men and women, great scholars from the county of Homa Bay. And Honorable Speaker, you know, we were in Homa Bay over the weekend, and the people of Homa Bay are great people. Therefore, Honorable Speaker, let me also assert that the Honorable Millie Mabona Odhiambo, being a law student and having studied environmental law, Odhiambo, being a law student and having studied environmental law, part of what this treaty seeks to look at are issues touching on environment in the sea. Therefore, the law of the sea, the law of the environment merge and converge. Whether they converge in Homa Bay or in the National Assembly, it's converging and we all move together, happy.
Honorable KJ.
Mr. Speaker, I was of a different opinion, Mr. Speaker. On an afternoon when we have very serious business to transact, I wanted you to find this debate totally out of order, because the display here is a display of something that is well known to this country. The tyranny of brains, the tyranny of Akili from Nyanza. And it has been displayed fully. We do not need to belabor the point. We know we have some fine brains from that area in the House. And we also know that there are and fog bearers who are also...
Honorable KJ. The chair assumes that some of those brilliant state of the current intellectual dissipation can also